As the NSE, we have made investments in broadening our offerings, developing a wide range of diverse products, working with many partners like the CPF and others, enabling issuers to raise capital and investors to build portfolios using globally acceptable financial securities and investment tools. Today, we are again demonstrating our capability and the depth of our market through the listing of the first Sharia-compliant product, opening a new avenue for raising capital for government and for the private sector. This is therefore a very special day for us.
We are systematically building a resilient economy and a resilient nation. Our democracy is tested. Our institutions are being tested. Even the stock market here was being tested. And the fact that you are here to launch another product just shows that this level of resilience is being made stronger and stronger by the day out of good leadership and also commitment and confidence in Kenya. So I really want to thank the entities that are still the beacons within our stock market.
It is a great pleasure that I join you today for the groundbreaking listing of this Lindsay Sukuk on the unquoted securities platform of the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Indeed, a very momentous occasion as we introduce the first Sharia-compliant financial product to the Kenyan exchange. I take this opportunity to congratulate Lindsay Finco Trust, the issuer of the bond, for the successful structuring of this remarkable 3 billion shilling Islamic security with a 15-year maturity, marking a pioneering public-private partnership facilitated through our capital markets entirely with locally sourced resources. My recurrent visits to the Nairobi Securities Exchange have each coincided with a significant development crucial for our nation's economic advancement. From the launch of the enhanced NSE marketplace in October 2022, when I came here immediately after the elections, and now the Lindsay Sukuk bond, these are not mere coincidences, but reflect a steadfast commitment to fostering a dynamic and inclusive capital markets